ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବସି କ'ଣ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
So, my name is Prachi Pratima Lenka.
ପ୍ରାଚୀ
Pratima Lenka.
You are from which place of Odisha?
So, from Bhadrak district.
Tell us something about your education.
Education in Bhadrak. Sir, Bhadrak.
No, your education.
Okay, sir. So, I have completed my highest education is I have completed my MSc Forestry from College of Forestry, OUT.
So you have studied forestry.
Yes, sir.
Tell us something about how forest is surveyed. How survey is done in a forest.
So, forest survey regarding which parameters? Sir, height, everything.
Survey. Why survey is done in a forest?
So there are several reasons for doing survey in a forest. First is to measure the forest cover and also to study the biodiversity of the forest, wildlife census, and to understand the human-animal conflict that is happening and other challenges that forest as such suffers.
What are the methods of survey?
Sir, surveying or for tree enumeration, there are total enumeration can be done or partial enumeration is done. In total enumeration, when the forest patch is small.
It's okay. What I intend to know about the survey of the land area, the forest area. How to measure the area forest cover?
Measure the forest cover. Sir, basically for forest cover estimation, we go for parcel enumeration where small patches of geographically important areas are taken and the trees are counted in those areas, and then depending on the sampling intensity, the overall forest cover is then estimated.
What are the technologies utilized for survey of forests?
Sir, now GIS and remote sensing is widely used to measure the tree cover or the forest cover density, crop density and canopy density of the trees. And apart from that, sir, units like instruments like for measuring the height, there are calipers, and for measuring the diameter there are calipers. For measuring the height, there is dendrometers.
Suppose I say that during last 75 years, the forest cover in our state has increased. Am I wrong or right?
Yes, sir. Technically speaking, the total forest cover in our
What
state.
What is the percentage of area under forest cover
Sir, currently
in our state?
In our state, it is around 39%.
39.
Yes.
Is it, sir, 39%? Sir, Udgata sir.
So, total tree and forest cover, if we take.
Forest cover, sir, is
I am talking about
tree cover plus
Forest cover.
Forest cover plus tree outside.
Forest area.
Sir is speaking about what is the forest cover.
Forest cover, then it's 33%.
Okay, suppose I am an industrialist. I want to establish a factory inside a reserve forest. Am I permitted to do so?
No, sir.
Suppose I am requesting you as a forest officer to establish my industry in a non-reserved forest area. Am I permitted to do so?
Sir, you are speaking about protected forest.
It might be protected forest, might be revenue forest.
Okay, sir. Sir, there are several parameters to be studied, especially for forest clearance. Part 2 of the Parivesh portal FC clearance, their DFO has to be taken into consideration.
What are the measures I should take for forest clearance?
Sir, first of all, the mitigation, the impacts will be detailed studied, and then whatever mitigation is required, like what will be the impact on the soil and moisture in that area, whatever the soil and moisture conservation measures have to be taken. Then for the deforestation, if trees are felled, then under that afforestation activities have to be initiated, and if there is any sort of impact on the air environment.
Now, is it required to calculate the loss to the forest area?
Yes, sir.
How it will be calculated?
So there is a term known as NPV, the net present value of the forest, that has to be calculated, and in that terms the payment has to be done to the CAMPA to carry out the forest afforestation.
Is it required to deposit that amount first before the stage 1 clearance?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are a forest officer in some remote area of our state, and there is a Naxalite problem.
Okay, sir. sir.
would you send your subordinates to go into the forest?
Sir, for routine forest survey work, officials have to visit. So, with proper support and having the good knowledge, ground reality, understanding the what can be the problems, then staff can be departed to those areas. Unless if there is high danger, I would say to wait for other departments like police department to take the help from them, and then.
Last question I want to ask about what is the use of satellite in forest activities?
Sir, remote sensing with the satellites, it is used for first of all forest cover mapping, then to understand the density, crop density and canopy density. Apart from that, the kind of soil now it is now studied, wherever the water areas are there, that is also studied. Forest fire monitoring, that is also widely being done.
Prachi,
Yes, sir.
you belong to Bhadrak.
Yes, sir.
You studied matriculation in Bhadrak.
Yes, sir.
Then you studied your post in Chaitanya,
Yes, sir.
again in Visakhapatnam.
Yes, sir.
All along coastline.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is coastal regulation zone?
Coastal regulation zone.
Zone.
Sir, coastal regulation zones are the areas that are very nearer to the coastal regions, and they are demarcated especially to ensure that any developmental activity does not impact the coastal biodiversity.
How many zones are there?
Sir,
CRZ.
yes, sir, CRZ. Sir, I believe it is seven CRZ. Sir, I will read on it. So I will.
You have no knowledge about CRZ. Only
Yes, sir.
coastline, or it also includes the tidal inundation, rivers.
Yes, sir.
estuaries?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It also includes that.
It already includes.
Yes, sir.
Then CRZ 1, 2, 3, 4, you don't know. How
Yes,
many
sir, I have
zones are?
read about it, but now I am not able to recall. I will read on it, sir.
Since you belong to Bhadrak, can I ask you what is Oliveritle sea turtle?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is a species of turtle, and the scientific name is Lepidochelys olivaceae. It is believed to be one of the, according to IUCN, it is a threatened species, and according to Wildlife Protection Act, it is listed in Schedule 1, and it is known for its mass nesting activities in the coast of Odisha.
What is that called? Mass nesting?
Aribada.
Aribada. Have you seen any Aribada in Bhadrak district?
No, sir, I have not visited.
No.
No, sir.
Tell me the timing when they come and go back, and when the hatchlings come.
Yes, sir.
Time, season.
So mostly the mass nesting occurs during the winter time, during January and February months. Then returns, sir, I will read on it in detail.
How big it is? The Oliveritle sea turtle.
I will read on it. I don't.
You have
know.
not seen? Not
No,
in
sir, I have
picture?
not seen. No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, in picture I have seen,
What
but
are the threats to the Oliveritle sea turtle?
so mostly poaching, illegal poaching is being done, and from
Poaching?
yes.
Why Oliveritle sea turtle is being poached? What?
Sir, for its shell. So there is danger from the crows and other vultures picking up the hatchlings, and people are taking it as a game animal and playing with it. So that is also a problem.
What is the major threat? You are not touching to that.
So coastal inundation and erosion basically affecting their nesting habitat. Sir, I will read on it. I have skipped that part.
Major threat is from the fishing trawlers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Major threat is from that.
Okay, sir.
So what is the mechanism to prevent these trawlers to enter during mating time or breeding time?
Sir, monitoring of that and forecasting of that, and informing the fishermen during that time, preventing them to entering into the sea that could cause damage to the turtles.
Government takes any notification? Takes
Yes,
any notification?
yes, in Odisha.
What type of notification government makes? for betterment of or prevention of oligopoly turtle?
So there was an operation which was also conducted in this direction.
Notification, I'm asking about the notification, government notification.
Sir, I will read on it, sir.
Okay, Prachi,
Yes, sir.
how are you feeling today?
Yes, I'm feeling well.
Don't keep your hands like this.
Okay, sir.
Just sit straight. Are you getting nervous?
Sir?
Are you getting nervous?
No, sir, I'm fine, sir.
Okay, you are all right. And you know, you are first major steps. Last is the result is waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
We must see your name in the list.
Yes, sir.
So take that confidence within you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can ask the questions. What is the theme of World Environmental Day 2025? World Environment Day केबे पालन करा जाए?
So June 5.
हाँ, इतर थीम कौन थिला?
Sir, I'm not able to recall it. Sir, I will look
ऐसे
into
होगा?
it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ? So my question is, what is the recent initiative called Namaste Scheme?
Okay, sir.
Recent Namaste Scheme is related to what?
Sir, I will read on it, sir.
Tell me, which Odisha forest range has been declared as biosphere reserve?
Yes, sir. Similipad has been declared
Very
as.
good, very good. What is the new portal AgriStack? What is the use of that?
AgriStart.
AgriStack.
Sir, I will read on it, sir.
Recent kotha.
Yes, I have. I will.
That way you are not acquainted with your surroundings.
Yes, sir.
So that is not my version, according to the version of the Kiran Bedi, not as a politician, but the first IPS woman in India.
Yes, sir.
So before you go to the bed, you should be out of your own surroundings, then you go for a sound sleep.
Yes, sir.
पेपर पढ़िबो सब जानि
Yes, sir.
आ तमे तो नॉलेज टेस्ट ही ना नॉलेज टेस्ट न होतले लास्ट टेस्ट बंद था तो की
Yes, sir.
तब तमे पेपर स्टडी ना
Yes, sir. Sir, I am reading it.
AgriStack कोन
Yes, sir.
okay please go through it. Thank you. Power of expression is nice.
Thank you very
Your
much.
personality is nice. Domain knowledge. Our general knowledge के कमी छी. Our knowledge also everything is okay.
Thank you very much. Sir, I will read on the general
रेंजर
awareness.
तमे मेंटली सेटअप नहीं कर रेंजर pro काम कोन जानि
हाँ, sir.
फॉरेस्ट रेंजर राती नहीं दिन नहीं तो रूम धरिबो माफिया मु धरिबो
आज्ञा, sir.
जिंदी हेतला चंदन जोरा व्यापारी केते बड़ से का
Yes, sir.
कब्जा करसला तुम कर परियो
Yes, sir.
ना टीमेट यू आर वीक
No, sir. As such, I see myself as a strong personality.
खाली निजे स्ट्रांग ना हो यू शुड टेक द हेल्प
Yes, sir. I believe in team spirit and.
हां टीम स्पिरिट
Yes, sir.
सबुळे बर्तन जो डिवास्टेशन होची मेजर डिजास्टर सब होची सबुळे कहउची जे कम्युनिटी को इन्वॉल्व करो
Yes, sir.
मॉक ड्रिल तांको कराओ
Yes,
जम्मू कश्मीर हिमाचल प्रदेश उत्तराखंड दिल्ली ये जो अवस्था है कम्युनिटी अवेयरनेस कमी जाउछ और अर्ली वार्निंग सिस्टम EWS
EWS.
दिस इज लैक
Yes, sir.
तो इसो प्रति ध्यान दो एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर गेटिंग आई विल देखो तुम ना लिस्ट
Thank you very
We
much.
have to see.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thanks.
Thank you very much.